Angola has introduced tougher regulations on banks on ownership disclosure, auditing and risk management. That's in response to international calls for more transparency and supervision in the oil-rich country's booming financial sector. Under the new wide-ranging corporate governance code, banks must publish information about their shareholding structure, and that includes details about who owns direct and indirect stakes. Stricter rules on auditing, risk management, compliance and stress testing will also be implemented according to the central bank, and that is designed to enhance its ability to supervise the financial system as a whole. Angola's banking market is dominated by 5 banks. That includes units of Portugal's Banco BPI and BES.